Hello, what's up, welcome back, KB Nation. Today, you already see the package. It's probably not in focus because it ain't up close, but I got another package. I gotta go real fast. Y'all weirdos don't see my address, but today we will be doing an unboxing on the Samsung T5 external hard drive review, and I'm gonna unbox it for you with my, I guess you could call it a little pocket knife that I got from Las Vegas. You know, shout out to them, Sin City, El Jefe, they boss, because that's how we do over here. We bossed up in these streets. Let me move my little wrist thing that I type with. I'm at my station today. I'm not at my usual spot, which is right in front of me, but I'm sitting down. That way I don't have to reach behind the camera and do all that weird stuff. But anyway, let's get this package open. So, they always do this. As you guys watched my last video, hopefully this one got my address on it. This is just such and such Federal Express home delivery. This is directly from Samsung. You don't play them third-party things, you know. Alright. Y'all can see they wrapped it very, very nicely. You get your little special gift for me. What they got for me, just for you, get up to 30%. It's always up to 30% off. We'll see what this is like, but we ain't here for that. Thank you for the discount though. Y'all need to, you know what I'm saying, get the sponsorship. And I done had a freaking Galaxy for how many years now? You know, I had one iPhone, the 5, and I never went back. So Samsung, show some love. Where's the love? I'm gonna drop a heart right here. Like, give me some love. Anyway, I went and, you know what? This is probably dumb loud. Like a little baby. Okay. Alright, we got all that good fluffy stuff out the way. Now, a little history lesson, guys, class. Before I tell you why I bought this, I got this because I needed, matter of fact, let me get a thumbnail. Let me get a thumbnail. Let me get that thumbnail in. Can I get it? I hope that autofocus is on. Yeah, nice there. Okay. Alright. I may get it out the box too, but like my Mac was piling up. I'm giving y'all bangers. My memory is filling up. My iCloud, my computer. I don't know how many gigabytes or terabytes this MacBook is. This was a gift, as you can see in the previous videos, from my wonderful fiance. But yeah, I was like, I need it. So this is just the SSD. You guys are probably more familiar with the hard drive like I was. I never knew what an SSD was. It's just the solid state drive, and it's external, it's portable. Portability, we be on the go. These guys, it is fast. I believe it's 4.9 times faster. It's bulky. You know those big, huge square things that you see on a desk? That's probably a hard drive. This right here is sleek, solid, compact, lightweight aluminum exterior, convenient palm size, and shock resistant. Structure withstands falls from up to 2 millimeters. So that's 6.6 feet. This can take if you drop it. I'm not gonna do no demonstrations. Either. The price point was very appeasing to me because other ones I've seen were in the hundreds. This used to be in the 800s, but you know, due to the pandemic Newer models coming out. This is down to what, 150. You probably could find one for 130. You may have a discount with Samsung like I did and got it for 132 and free shipping. But yeah, USB-C, USB-A support for PCs, phones. You can put this in your cell phone and transfer data. You can put it in your tablet, your PC, like I have my PC right here. This is the MacBook right here. That little pink thing right here sticking out, that's the Mac. This little silver thing is the other laptop that I'm keeping, but you guys will be getting this one right here. But the other one is brand new in the box, but that is another video. And I just wanted to, show you guys what you're working with. That way you can click off if you don't want to see it. This is USB 3.1 Gen 2. And so it comes in a nice plastic packaging. Cute and petite. I have small hands, so they may look a little mucho because they chunky, but it's smaller than my phone, y'all. It's smaller than my phone. And this is a pretty big phone, so you guys can see the size. Boom. So I may get like that Velcro patch that I used to put up my pictures in this house, and just put this on the back of my MacBook or my Dougal, my dangle, whatever you call it, and just rock out like that with my car. Come with no instructions. So luckily I know a little bit about it. No, it does. Portable SSD T5. Your regular books and all of them things and all that. And all them instructions that you gotta go by and everything that you should see. Other languages, warranty, the region, country, such and such. Y'all do it on your own time. Sorry, this is just not that channel. USB C to C. This is the same wire that my MacBook came like. Y'all hear my chair? That's my game chair, like I saw in the other video. I need some WD-40, so anybody can hook me up. Send it to me. This is USB Type C to USB. So my PC people, you plug it in like so, and then you plug it in like so to set device that is USB. From what happened? Fireworks outside? It's like, we know Kay is filming. Let's make as much noise as possible, and when she's done, we're gonna be completely silent. For the love of me, my neighborhood is OD quiet. That's why I'm like, every time I hear Liberace bands, the train. I don't even live by a train. But anyway, I digress. So this would be for me. Can I pull my Dougal out? I guess I could pull it out. Do I really want to pull it out? Yeah, I'm gonna pull it out. Pull my Dougal out. My dangle is right here. It's connected to my webcam. But as you can see that white wire, let me zoom in for y'all. There we go. And you plug it in here. But my MacBook is already C to C, so I don't really need to use the dangle. So I plug her back in, but she's charging, so that's why I have my dangle. Can somebody please put in the comment section what the heck this thing is called? It's for Windows, Mac, Android, and yeah, Windows, Mac, Android. And yeah, you can do multiple things with this. Transfer files to your telephone, cell phone device. This is it right here. I picked it up for under $200, under $150. And if you're looking to expand your memory, I say go for it. It's a V-NAND flash memory and USB 3.1 Gen 2, 4.9 times faster than the external hard drive. It is large size data for 4K videos and high resolution. You know, we mostly use 1080p, but I like to film in 4K for all my folks out there. You can get your colors if you want. This comes in red, blue, silver, gold, and black, I believe. Black is cool in case I decide to switch it up. It'll match with everything. This is what it looks like. I got the 1 terabyte. You know, it's actually for $129. I just checked my phone. I got it for a little more expensive, but they got different sizes as far as capacity. They start off at 250 gigabytes, 500 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, and 2 terabytes. So for me, I feel like 1 terabyte is perfect. That's the terabyte I have on my phone. My phone has 6,000 songs, like 6,000 pictures, 500 apps, and I still can add more apps or record if I want. Not OD, but that's a lot of space. The average person don't have 100 songs downloaded into their phone. I say cop it or drop. We gonna cop this. This is definitely a TTG. I'm trying to go right now. It's only 0.41 inches thick. You get what I'm saying? You can't get wrong traveling. You slap this in your pocket. But me, I have a little travel bag for my electronics. And it's just cool. It's cute. It's compact. So I feel like that is concluding our video. Yeah, for you people who don't know what 1 TB stands for, 1 terabyte equals 1 million gigabytes. 1 million. Let's say it. 1 million. I'm gonna add these zeros in there so you can see how many zeros it is. The software requires Windows 7 or higher or later, Mac OS X 10.9 or higher, Android 4.4, KitKat or higher. Older versions of the Windows and Mac operating systems may not be supported, but you might could get it in. Full HD optimized, RHS compliant, I guess it is, but may not know what them things mean. And okay guys, so I have if you can see it, I have it connected to my MacBook Pro. You can see yes, type C to C. So I didn't even have to use my dongle. And I'm just gonna transfer a few files and then I'm completely closing out the video. So I'm gonna just choose one that I deleted because I ran out of space. So if you can see, let me get a little closer. So I'm gonna drag this all the way to Samsung T5, and I want you to see the speed of it. This is a big file. Well, not really. How long was that video? Less than 30 minutes. Okay, so it is officially transferred to my SSD. So we're going to click on this, and as you can see, I've transferred several files so far, and I'm going to try to transfer more of my iMovie clouds, which is what I edit on until I use get my Final Cut Pro account back, but that is nonetheless digression. So yeah, that's it. I think it works pretty fast. That was less than a minute. It may seem that long, but we're just impatient Gen Z kids who have no patience in the world. And that is it for you guys. I hope. Oh yeah, this is what it showed. This is what it looks like on your desktop when you plug it in. Boom, right there. That gold thing right there in the corner. I wish mine was gold. So yeah, that is it, folks. And deuces. This is the Samsung portable SSD T5. Hope you enjoyed this review / unboxing. I would smash that subscribe button, tap that like button. Come on and let it nigga tap that like button. Don't forget to drop some comments. Let me know below if you want to know how I'm working with it. How is the processing? Is any memory storage problem issues? Which I to close out this video. So don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, watch my other videos, do the damn thing, and until next time, peace, one, and I'm out.